Hey everyone, this is April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. In this video I'll be answering the question, what does sc2tog mean in crochet? You can get a printable crochet abbreviations list just like this one on my website. You'll find the link for that in the description for this video. You can look here and see that sc2tog stands for single crochet 2 stitches together. Oh, I have a typo there. I'll fix that. Single crochet 2 stitches together. So I'll show you what that looks like. This is a decrease stitch. It takes the next 2 stitches and makes them into just 1 stitch. You will go into the next stitch, go under both loops. You will yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you will go under both loops of the next stitch and yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook now, and you'll yarn over and pull through all 3 of them. Leave your crochet questions in the comments for this video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.